Okay, after 1 freaking year, it's raining again. You can't see it, sad face. Then we also got this little. Look how cute this little baby is. Zoom in and zoom out. And more rain. Rain. It's been basically a whole freaking year since last rain. Why, baby? Now he's trying to escape my hands. Don't you dare to escape my hands. So this is the rain. And this is the Milo. Milo's head. Little Wadgy. You want the nuggets? You want nuggies. All you want is my hamburgers, right? And my french fries? Yeah, and bacon. Look. It's raining tacos. Yeah, last time I might have done Okay, that. Oh, Milo, no, where are you going, baby? Meow. It's so freaking cold. Ha. Okay, there, better. Sticker capybara. This guy, we got a Billy. Why's Turtle Boy? You can't even see that's turtle. It's actually kind of cute like that. From Milo, okay, cute. This clock, sleigh, and then we got these Moonwatcher. Trying my best to show them, but it's not working. Here you go. Got that sticker. J Feather sticker. You can't even see it. Got this random skateboard. Got that Milo sticker. Got octopus. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I'll send the video. It might look like it's sunset, but it's not sunset at all. It's not even close to sunset. Oh, the rain is leaving, but it's not even close to sunset. So bye, y'alls.